Okay, so we've been working on this for about 45 minutes and probably an hour or so, and a lot of the stuff came out pretty easily. This is a filthy job. So that's the new upper arm there, that's the old one. Of course, we've had to try to take out one of the front drive shafts. We've had to take out the front coil. We've had to take out the lower torsion steering sway arm, whatever it's called, which is attached to your steering rack and pinion there. Now we've got the worst job. We've got this ball joint to come out, and this is a pig. This is why you've got to take all of this out to be able to access and get this out. So this, now we've got to unscrew this bolt here, drop the whole of the brake hub, and then try and get this ball joint out, which everything else has come out fairly easily. I gotta be honest, a little bit of brute force, a little bit of penetrant spray, nothing crazy, so it's all looking good. So we're reporting in a bit. So this Doug, your mechanic, saying adios today. Well, not today, because I'm going to come back in a bit and do it. Okay.